This is boy Muhammad from Androzilla. Today I walk you through how to mute totally sound of Google Chrome browser in your Android phone. This step is very easy. You go to Google Chrome apps or browser. You hit in the top right corner and three dotted. Click on it and go to setting. From setting, scroll down. You click in notification and scroll down. Click in play media and wait for a second. We're back. Back again. You're looking for site setting. Here, site setting. And go to scroll down until you see the sound. See sounds. Click on it. You can allow disable that or edit a site to expression. You can edit that, and you need to maybe youtube.com. we need that be allowed. You see, you have turned that, and you can edit another website that to mute, to allow or disallow. This video for today I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.